when you lost someone, when you lost a elderly folks, a elderly person. I lost my grandmother 2008. I lost my brother 2017. And I can tell you, say, me no nearly get over my grandmother passing yet. I have to just find a way to live alongside it. Because I can't get over it. So, when them things here happen, I can tell you, say, guys, I know how I feel. I don't know what you are feeling, but I can tell you one thing. I'm surely 100% can tell you, say, I understand. I don't know the pain how I feel. I don't know the heartache how I feel. But trust and believe me when I tell you, I understand. You know how many times I sit down in my house, Father God up above is my witness, and say me that changed my life with my brother for even for a week. You know that? You know how much time me and my little brother sit down and reason and say, yo, Jano, bro, him I do well, me I do well, and we not have him there to celebrate with him. And I sure we mother have. That cut me up every day in my life from him pass off. So, may I ask God in heaven, you see the little girl from Trelawney, me personally, I ask God to give that woman there the health, strength what she needs and the courage to carry on. One child the woman have. And that's why I tell them lady out the road there. Let me tell you something, man. When you allow this one pitney business, leave this one pitney business, and I'm not saying this in a bad way because I now say one pitney, if you have two pitneys, it's alright for one going, but let me tell you something, man. You see, when you have the one child, and that one child that just, God forbid, something happens to that child, I tell you, say, you will mad. You will literally, physically, spiritually, you will mad. Because a lot of rumors has been going around about the lady. Say she's dumb or whatever. She's not a dumb lady. She's not a dumb woman. She was working in Manti, but she's not dumb. From the lady child pass off, the woman have high blood pressure. And then she said, then the family them say she wasn't like a talky person like me with love chat. And them say from the lady child pass, man. God bless you 4 look or 2 look or 3 look what the woman say. The woman like she have ego. Because that's one of the wickedest tragedy. Because you what me know. She have to feel some type of way against her mother, you know. So she hurt left, right, center, up, down. That lady's hurting real bad. Real bad. That lady's hurting. Right now, if you tell that lady if you count her finger, then she don't know how much finger she have right now. Me I tell her that. Because I am not trying to put anything in the ear. But the fact that you leave your child with your mom and rightly or wrongly, I'm not going into the rightly or wrongly part, but the child gets unalive. And I would want to believe that the mother saw her child when she unalive. And people, Jesus Christ, good God of my salvation. You can imagine a mother from all the child pain that you bear to see your child in that position. It's bad. It's terrible. It is terrible. It is terrible. And my heart, my prayers, my sincerity, everything goes out to that lady. Same thing goes to Andrea. The same thing goes to the lady up up at Portland. Yeah, it is. My heart goes out to them 100%. In my days, back in the 50s when I was a young kid, those days in the 50s, you used to have, it was like a culture kind of thing, like where, you know, say your child I got grow up and probably bury you, probably take care of you. In the 50s, that's how it used to run, you know, like everybody did have that kind of expectation. You understand? Guys, don't follow the host, guys. Because there's 4 people in the live who now follow me. No, the next one over there, so you, yes, that lady will look on her phone, yes, you now follow me. Can you please follow the host? That is the only way you're going to get the most. Right? When I was growing up, back in the 50s, things was a bit different. Like, a child would probably bury their parents or look after their parents. Now, the table has spin right round. I be a parents are bury them, pick them at days and you see it. And guys, I am focusing back on Jayden case. I will give my assistance to the little girl in a Chulani. I want to speak to one of the family members them on the phone tomorrow, because as I said, I don't know certain things, and if I don't know certain things, it's just I just don't know. I'm not gonna make it up. I'm not gonna make up story. So whatever I can clear up for Uno, I will clear it up. So one, the little girl mother, she's not dumb. She's just taking her child passing very, 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 very hard. It hits her like a Leland chuck drop on her. I tell her that it hit her really bad. It hit her bad. Bad. Because let me tell you something. You see, for a human being, the thing is this, you know. You see, when a tragedy like that happen, the first thing a person do when something like that happen, as a human, you know the first thing you do? What's the first thing a person do when a tragedy like that happen? Especially in her circumstances. You know the first thing she probably do? Is blame herself. Because she's the man to go be working. Right? The baby is with her mom. So look at that. That is it doesn't get no closer than that. Your mother, your child. It doesn't get any closer than that. No closer. So right now she have the emotion rightly or wrongly against her mom. Her baby gone. Oh God, man. Guys, rough. But I wanna say big up to the chat. Big up to you guys. And we have been here for 10 months, going into the 11 months. I think the 26th of this month is 11 months. The 26th of next month is 1 year since Jayden gone missing. And majority of you, Queen, the 2 Queen them, Queen Betty and Queen Sugar, you guys have been here since day 1. Big up on yourself. Guys, I want to big up every single person that ever passed through the live, regardless if it's Jayden me I speak about, regardless if I honor the other kids them, you guys always been here. I'ma keep on telling you this. You lot are the engine. You understand? You lot are the engine. The bloggers them, especially the live streamers them, some of us are the steering, but you guys are the engine. what good a car gonna do without a engine? Though it's not gonna go too far, is it? So big up on yourself. And I think, and I will always believe this, that we guys are doing a tremendous job. Yes, we are. And in situation like this, yes, I know, I am like that. I am thinking like, yo, I want a judgment I could take these people. But I also know that the wheel of justice spin. And to big up yourself, my brother. The wheel of justice spin, but it just don't spin on our time. You understand? But it spin. It spin. And guys, I don't know. I can't speak for any other bloggers. I can speak for myself. Sometimes this gets so overwhelming. And I'm not looking at sympathy. I'm not looking at pity. But sometimes it gets so overwhelming because I am speaking about a child who gone missing, and I am speaking about this child for a year, and I can't see no movement. And my love come out here like me I remind everybody of the anger and the grief and everything. I sometimes feel like that's all I'm doing, reminding people of the anger and the grief we're inside of us for our children. So sometimes it gets so overwhelming. You understand? Because look at the two little girl, right? Oh, they was found in such a state. And as a parent, even though the bloggers are fighting for them, right? But hearing us speak about the children, them seeking justice for them, that's going to be a reminder for the parents every day, don't you think? And that is why I am encouraging bloggers. I am encouraging my fellow bloggers to be very careful and mindful of the words that we use towards certain sensitive situation. I mean, I want to feel like me I tell you if you look at some of you have some dirty ways. Or you feel like say me I tell you if you do, or me I go like me a Martin Luther King. Nigel Snipe, my brother, from another mother. Big up yourself, my brother. You understand where I come from? All I am doing, I am just encouraging us that we need to be mindful of some of the words that we are used. One Nigel, guys, follow Nigel Snipe. He's my brother and he plays music on Saturdays and stuff like that. He's big DJ. So if you want to go listen to some music sometimes, yes, follow him and go over there, go check him out and play some big bad music all the while. Proper DJ, my brother. Yes, as I'm saying, guys, give him a mass following there, guys. And when time when I don't have nothing to do, I'm not tired, I don't have nothing to hear, I don't know see me, I don't know see no blog also. You can go over there, go sit down and listen, drink to juice and burn to juice and listen to music and to Bob Marley and to Luton and Tichi and to Shabarank and to Tiger in the place. It's a bam bam. Alright, cool. Cause I don't even know say my big song. So yes, guys. Where was I? I wish I did that look while. But anyway, yes. So bloggers, me know say, you don't feel like me have an authority or power me like to use it. No. But